a 305 V8.
Never owned a new car before.
Yeah, it's awfully fitting for a handsome devil rock star. I do know who you are.
Well, that makes one of us.
Hey, boss, can you do a mic check?
How's that sound?
Looks about right.
Don't need to be perfect. I want it to feel like I'm in the room by myself.
Yeah.
Let's try one.
Here's what I want you to understand. This is not about either one of us. This is not about the charts. This is about Bruce Springsteen. And these are the songs that he wants to work on right now.
I saw her standing on her front lawn, just a twirling her baton.
I'm gonna tell you a little story. When Bruce was little, he had a hole in the floor of his bedroom.
Me and her fur rats.
The floor that's supposed to be solid. You're supposed to be able to stand on. Bruce, he didn't have that.
From the dead, leg in the bread.
Bruce is a repairman.
With a sawed-off
And what he's doing with this album
on my leg.
is he's repairing that hole in his floor.
Through the bed
He's repairing that hole in himself.
of wild I could
And once he's done that,
in my bed.
he's gonna repair the entire world.
Trying to find something real in all the noise.
You always do.